The following program is classified PG and is closed captioned. Parental guidance is recommended.
Good day everyone, I'm Nicola V. Bonifacio and I'm Anthony Bertosa. And behalf of our group members, Larry Dinella and Mr. Jose De Luna, we are Group 2 and this is Physics Patrol! And to give you an overview of our topics, we give you Mr. Sandeep Singh.
Thank you, Nicola and Anthony. I will now present to you our topic: volcanoes, earthquakes, and tsunami. Back to studio.
Thank you, Mr. Sandeep Singh. And to give you further knowledge about our topic, we had the honor of interviewing Dr. Antonia Borna, Chief VMEPD of the Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology, live in Civic Garcia, Quezon City.
We have 23 active volcanoes. Ang very active natin ay 6. Ngayon, Taal, Bulusan, Canlaon, Hibok-Hibok, and Pinatubo. Ang Pinatubo every 400 to 1,000, 2,000 years pumuputok na. Wow. So, hindi yung very active. But when it erupts, it's a huge eruption. It erupted in 93, it erupted, actually, after the war, it erupted in 48, 58, 68, 78, then naging 84, naging 93, naging 2000, naging 2001, then naging 2006, and then 2009.
Recent lang
So, very active no, ngayon. Mayroon isang mas active volcano. Okay, the deadliest volcanoes are called the supervolcanoes. They are actually, hindi sila mapapansin sa umpisa kasi they do not form the typical volcano structure, yung typical volcano structure, yung mga cones, or hindi yung perfect cone, pero kikita nyo yung may bundok na medyo nagsa-summit siya, and then there is a crater at the top. Called, yung mga supervolcanoes, they are huge calderas. Sabihin, they are large depressions on the ground. And minsan nga, na i-infill na yung caldera, hindi mo na makikula na siyang lake, but most of the time meron. Now, when supervolcanoes, they erupt every hundreds of thousands of years ang binibilang natin yung repose period o yung rest period. But when they erupt, they cause major, aside from the direct impacts ng volcanic hazards, consisting of pyroclastic flows, yung mga hot flows of ash and gas na nakakasulog everywhere, malayong inaabot niya, kilometers ang binubilang. We also have massive ashfall. But most importantly, we have extensive and drastic climate change because of the eruption of supervolcanoes. Pag nag-erupt ang supervolcanoes, they inject a lot of aerosol and dust in the atmosphere na nag-block ang sun, and nagkakos sila ng periods of glaciation and ice age. Bago na-modernize yung seismic network ng Pilipinas, ng CBOX, nakaka-detect tayo ng 5 earthquakes per day. Most of them are not felt. So, with the advent of new instrumentation, beginning 2000, kasi nagkaroon kami ng project with the government of Japan, and nag-upgrade nila lahat ng earthquake monitoring systems natin, and right now they are also doing upgrading of the volcano monitoring system. Nakaka-detect na tayo ng 20 earthquakes per day. Most of them are imperceptible. Siguro hindi. Ang problema lang kasi, earthquake effects, yung effects ng earthquake, hindi lang naman yung magnitude o yung strength or intensity ng earthquake ang parameter or factor sa extent ng damage na. It's also the risk, which means yung population, the number of infrastructure, the proximity of populations and settlements to earthquake generators like active faults or active trenches. So, dati, nagkakaroon siguro tayo ng malalakas na earthquakes. The largest instrumentally recorded earthquake was the 1948 Panay earthquake, but it's not as damaging as it would be kung ngayon nangyari yun. Ang worst case scenario, of course, is kung gagalaw yung valley fault system dito sa Metro Manila. Kasi we have an active fault here. Hindi lang siya gumagalaw for a long time. It's locked. It runs on the eastern part of Metro Manila. It passes through Quezon City, Pasig, Marikina, Taguig, parts of Makati, and Muntinlupa. So, pag gumalaw yung fault na yun, it's an inland fault, so very shallow ang earthquake na mapuproduce niya. And kahit na sabi natin magnitude 5, magnitude 6, ang nai-envision ng worst na highest magnitude is 7.2. Pag nangyari yun, it will create a lot of damage in Metro Manila. Kasi dahil sa sobrang population, maraming infrastructure, marami na tayong high-rise, and we have so little regard for the earthquake preparedness sa ating city. We've had around 44 tsunami in our history, 44 destructive tsunami. Actually, recently we had a tsunami from the 1994 Mindoro earthquake, around, I think, 50 plus people died in Calapan and adjoining communities. So, we've actually had a lot of tsunami. Hindi lang masyado alam ng mga tao. Kasi nung nangyari sila, it wasn't the internet age. Okay, and the worst tsunami we've had historical is the 1976 Morogoro earthquake. Yung epicenter ng earthquake, magnitude 7.8, 7.9 yan. 7.8, 7.9 Morogoro earthquake. It produced a tsunami that was about, I think, 8 meters high, 7 to 8 meters high, and in less than 10 minutes, dumating na siya dun sa mga communities around the Morogoro. This includes the cities of Pagadian, Zamboanga City, so yung mga communities around that area. So at least 3,000 people were killed. This was in 1976, panahon pa ni Marcos. And hindi masyadong kilala yung earthquake na yun. Hindi masyadong naalala ng mga tao yung tsunami event na yun. But actually, we have a lot of tsunami. Pag nagkaroon tayo, pwede tayo magkaroon ng tsunami sa Metro Manila. Ano ba yun? We have a tsunami generator off to our west, which is the Manila Trench. Narinig niyo na ba yung Manila Trench? Yes, it's a subduction room for west, no? The Manila Trench can actually produce a tsunami. And it could be as much as 2 meters high yata, 2 to 4 meters high. Ang tsunami, pag lumagpas na ng 1 meter, delikado na yun. A 2 meter high tsunami is already higher than a person, di ba? So, delikado na yun. So, sa Metro Manila, pwede tayong magkaroon ng ganun klaseng tsunami. And, based on sa modeling na ginawa ng Free Rocks, it could be as high as 2 to 4 meters.